Hey everybody, it's Mike from Monkey Fab. I just want to talk to you today a little bit about my new T4 to 2.5 inch billet flanges. These guys, Mel, are made from 304L stainless. There we go. So we got 0, and as we go down from the top of the flange to the base, it is... So like what are we at? 1/300. So got 1/300 from the top of the flange to the bottom. These guys are recessed. It's got a nice thick register here to weld onto, so you can put it in nice and hot and get good penetration and not have to worry about any of that warping to the flange. These flanges are so thick, it's going to cool your weld quick. I always recommend when you weld these guys to bolt them down to some sort of a block or a jig, if nothing else. If you got old turbo housing, I don't like to weld these guys when they're actually all attached up, but just take the housing off, bolt it down, and weld it up, and that'll give you a nice, number one, it gives you a heat sink, but you should back purge these guys as well. That's why I always recommend using a block. Anyway, the outside is a nice surface finish, as you can see here. Nice step over. There's plenty of room on the bolts. So here is a 3/8 bolt, and you'll see how much room you have between it and the wall. And then an M10 bolt. This is a flanged M10 bolt with a 15mm head, and there's still room to get a wrench in there. No problem, because I know how annoying that can be once you get stuff that wasn't designed well and you can't even get a wrench around it, or you have to do the little 1/8 of a turn and flip your wrench and all that. Nope, not here. This is done correctly. The transition is all the way from the top to the bottom. It's a nice smooth transition. Perfectly flat flange. This is all done with a professional CNC machine, and it just will adapt right from your, so it can do right from any tube, any what do you call it, 2.5 inch tube. This guy's a little bit bent. This is some B stock that I have that was a little bit smashed, but hey, when the price is right. and this is more of conventional. This is kind of a normal 2.5 inch tube right there that I got from Columbia River some time ago, and I just use this to size everything. So yeah, pop that on there, tack it in 2 places, and then just run your bead around. Nice piece of work here. I'm really happy with these guys, and because I have them done in mass, I have these on the shelf ready to go, and the price is $90. So I think that's an incredible value to you, the customer. I know you guys always appreciate value in your products, and that's what I try to bring, and that's what this is. More to come. I already have the 3-inch to T4s being made, and many more will follow as we can afford to stock them. So thanks for your patronage. I hope you appreciate the new item, and I hope you find it useful. Until later, this is Mike from Monkey Fab signing out.